Let's talk about the key differences between Philips Coreline Recessed Spot and Philips Ledinaire Clear Accent. These recessed spots work well in lighting applications such as reception areas, decorative applications, retail shops and small fashion shops, corridors and bathrooms. Both ranges offer energy savings up to 80% compared to conventional lighting with efficacies higher than 78 lumen watt. Both families are available in two versions, fixed and adjustable. Coreline is available in white or aluminium and Ledinaire in white. In terms of lumen output, Coreline offers several options up to 1200 lumen in 2 color temperatures, while Ledinaire provides 500 lumen in 3 color temperatures. They're all phase dimmable and compatible with most leading-edge phase cut dimmers. Both spots offer easy and fast installation with push-in connectors, pull relief and spring fasteners. It's also possible to install them using a true wiring scheme. And the Plus Coreline range has the E-neck mark. If you want to learn more about Philips Recessed Spots, check our Recessed Spots in the Signify Lume Expert app. Thanks for watching!